Elevate your security with Alarm.com and Ion Smart Security intelligent video monitoring solutions. The Ion Smart Advantage combines industry-leading technology in a reliable, easy-to-use format. With the Alarm.com app, you can view live streams, instant playback, and easily switch between properties and systems. Ion cameras with Perimeter Guard not only detect intruders, but can trigger lights, sirens, and alerts to help deter trespassers, providing a strong first line of defense on your property. Ion Smart Security cameras, equipped with intelligent video analytics, can recognize the difference between a person, vehicle, snowflake, or leaf. Security cameras can help to verify if an alarm is a real emergency or false, allowing the monitoring station to request a priority response when needed. Customizable alerts set to specific needs can be triggered, and notifications sent to key individuals or staff, ensuring the right person is notified every time. All our cameras have offered 3 types of video storage for reliability and data redundancy. Ion security cameras offer end-to-end encryption, are NDAA compliant, and get regular over-the-air updates. Our security cameras are designed to work during the warmest summer days and coldest winter nights. With high-definition resolution, precision optics, night vision, and HDR clarity. Installation of your camera system is just the beginning. We offer professional, local service and support. At Ion Smart Security, we are ready when you are. To book an installation or for more information, just call, email, or text.